Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 8th of January. I'm James Spann. As advertised, this has been a cold, wet day, a big warm-up at midweek, and then we turn much colder again this weekend. A lot of things going on here, so let's dive in. This is the way things look at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. Very well-defined short wave west of the state. That's producing the rain today. That's the visible satellite view. And you can see it's almost impossible to find any sun across the state today. In fact, some convective pockets showing up there in parts of the Tennessee Valley. And the radar was the way things looked at 2:36. A lot of rain, just a soaking, cold rain falling over much of central Alabama that will be diminishing this evening. And we're warming up. Northeast Alabama, as often is the case in winter, slow to get there, but they're above freezing. Fort Payne, 37. Had a lot of icing problems this morning with freezing rain up in Jackson and DeKalb and Cherokee counties. Gadsden, 38. Birmingham, 47. Tuscaloosa at 50 on the western side of the state. And around the nation, the big thaw is on. It's going to be a nice period of warmer weather for about the next 3 days before the next Arctic blast arrives. Still got some winter weather advisories in effect for parts of the eastern U.S. from Virginia and West Virginia north because of snow and freezing rain. Thunder, maybe some over parts of South Florida, the immediate Gulf Coast of the Florida Panhandle, and out west in parts of California. As a very unsettled pattern develops there. This is the rain for the next 7 days, and really some big numbers out west. They could be dealing with some flooding problems in California. Around here, rain for the next 7 days, about 1 to 2 inches, and this counts the rain we're getting today. The next organized rain will be at the end of the week on Friday. So let's talk about it, model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run at noon local time tomorrow. Trough in the eastern Gulf. Nasty looking upper low coming into Los Angeles. And down below that in terms of sensible weather out west, again, very wet. Maybe some flooding problems there. And for us, cloudy, maybe a few scattered showers tomorrow, but a decent part of the day should be dry and will likely warm into the mid to upper 50s. The sky will be cloudy. This is Wednesday. A good chance we see 60s. That'll be the warmest day so far this year. And again, the sky cloudy, maybe a few widely scattered showers. A fairly decent pool of moisture here, but not a big trigger for rain. This is Thursday, pretty much the same deal. Highs well up in the 60s, cloudy. A chance of scattered showers. And look at the anomalies on Thursday. That's the big thaw. Temperatures way above average for the eastern third of the country. But you can see that well-defined front from near Madison, Wisconsin, down to St. Louis and Dallas-Fort Worth. And Friday, a surface low moves right on top of Alabama. And Friday could be a day with falling temperatures. We could start the day in the 50s. We'll fall through the 40s, maybe reaching the 30s by afternoon. With a good soaking rain, no severe weather look, and the question is, can we see some snow on the backside of this thing? Now, this is the GFS. This is Friday evening at 6 o'clock, and this is suggesting the possibility of a little light snow on the backside over North Alabama. Then by midnight Friday night, nothing but a few flurries. And traditionally in setups like this, when you see a change on the backside of a departing low, it's not much of a big deal. The European is a little slower. This is Saturday morning at 6 o'clock. And again, it's suggesting the same thing. Maybe a change over to snow on the backside, mostly light snow here. The better snow's up in Tennessee. And then noon Saturday, a chance of flurries. And very cold will be in the 30s all day. So we'll go ahead and mention that. A good soaking rain Friday. Temperatures falling Friday afternoon. And a chance of the rain changing to light snow before ending Friday night or Saturday morning. And we'll fine-tune that as we get closer. But again, for now, it doesn't look like a high-impact event. Keep in mind, we'll be pushing 70 here Thursday, so the infrastructure should be relatively warm. This is midday Saturday back to the GFS. Cold air advection. As a low moves up into the northeastern states, check the anomalies, way below average again. Again, Saturday will be in the 30s all day with a strong north wind to make it feel colder. And Sunday, we'll start the day down around 20. Colder pockets will see teens. The high Sunday should be close to 40. And again, some spots could stay in the 30s all day. So again, a very frigid weekend ahead. This is Monday, troughing north of us. And again, that's just cold and dry. The latest GFS showing 17 for Birmingham. Early Monday with a high in the middle 40s. This is the end of the forecast period. Thursday of next week, the 18th, heights are coming up, and this is suggesting the approach of a cold front with maybe a chance of showers, but no winter weather mischief there, as again we'll start to warm up again. It's the old roller coaster. In fact, speaking of the roller coaster, there it is. Look at the highs in the 60s off the European ensemble for the rest of this week. And understand that high Friday of 61 will probably come during the morning. And we'll probably start to fall Friday afternoon, and then temperatures just drop like a rock this weekend with highs in the 30s Saturday and Sunday. Again, very cold. We'll probably see teens for the colder pockets, but then we warm up again. A chance we see 60s out there again toward the 19th, 20th, and 21st of the month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.